In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use reporting tags in Zoho Books. Reporting tags are a powerful feature that allow you to categorize and track your transactions in a much more detailed way. Instead of only relying on accounts or categories, reporting tags let you break down your financial data by things like department, region, project, or any custom classification that fits your business. This is incredibly useful when you want clearer reports and better insights into where your revenue and expenses are coming from. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create reporting tags, how to apply them to transactions, and how they help improve your reporting inside Zoho Books. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials and simple software guides. Now let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the settings area where you can manage different configurations for your Zoho Books organization. After clicking the gear icon, look through the settings options and find Reporting Tags. Click on Reporting Tags to open the section where you can create and manage your tags. This is where you define the categories that you want to use for tracking transactions in your reports. Once you're inside the Reporting Tags page, click the button labeled New Reporting Tag. This will open a form where you can create your tag. The first field is the tag name. Here, you'll enter the main category you want to track. For example, many businesses create tags like department, region, location, project, or campaign. For this example, you could enter something like department. After entering the tag name, the next step is to add the tag options. These options represent the values that will fall under that category. For example, if your tag name is department, your options might be sales, marketing, operations, or customer support. If your tag name is region, the options might be north, south, east, and west. Simply type each option and add it to the list. These values will later appear when you assign tags to transactions. Once you've added all the tag values you need, click Save. Your reporting tag is now created and ready to be used in transactions across Zoho Books. Now let's see how to apply reporting tags to an actual transaction. To do this, open any transaction in Zoho Books. For example, you can go to the Sales section, click Invoices, and then click New to create a new invoice. When the invoice page opens, scroll down to the item table, where your products or services are listed. At the end of each row in the item table, you'll see a More icon represented by 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open additional options for that line item. From the menu that appears, select Reporting Tags. Zoho Books will now show you the reporting tag categories you created earlier. Simply choose the appropriate tag value. For example, if your tag is department, you might select marketing or sales, depending on the transaction. Once you've selected the correct tag value, confirm the selection and save the transaction. Now that transaction line is linked to the reporting tag, which means it will be categorized accordingly in your reports. This makes it much easier to analyze performance across different departments, regions, or projects without creating complex account structures. Another great benefit of reporting tags is that they can be used when generating reports. Inside the Reports section of Zoho Books, you can filter or customize reports using your reporting tags. This allows you to see financial performance based on the categories you created, giving you deeper insights into your business data. And that's how you use reporting tags in Zoho Books. As you can see, they're simple to set up, but extremely powerful when it comes to organizing and analyzing your financial information. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.